I have salt marinated cucumber slices ready. A lot of water got drained, that's why I kept in strainer. I have apple cider vinegar and Italian seasoning. So in a pot I got 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to add Italian seasoning. I'm going to boil it and then throw those cucumbers in that, and I'm going to boil more so that they become soft. It's boiling, and actually I'm going to stop now because I do see that pickle consistency, meaning they are soft and they are transparent. So I'm happy with the texture. Yeah, so I'm going to stop now. It is transparent.